The Jefferson County Quorum Court hit with a lawsuit, and the one filing it is their own county judge. The lawsuit claims the court is in violation of state law.
Samantha Boyd looked into that suit today. She spoke with two of the officials named in it. Samantha, what does this lawsuit entail?
Well, Laura, the lawsuit stems from what should take place the first meeting of the year, which is passing rules and procedures for that new term. But what might seem like a simple task evolved and kept officials from taking any legislative action for months.
I kind of expected it.
The Jefferson County Quorum Court now in a legal challenge with the county judge. The lawsuit filed by Judge Gerald Robinson claims members passed a procedural ordinance that violated separation of powers, specifically his executive powers.
It's just bad on the economy. It's bad on it reflections bad on us as a quorum court.
Unfortunately, we have a county judge who has a dictator-type style of government.
The suit comes after months of the quorum court taking no action on any issues.
I can't explain how frustrating it was. It's been awful.
Well, basically, county judge, he single-handedly held up legislation for Jefferson County for the past 6 months.
Justices Lloyd Franklin and Ted Hardin both named in the lawsuit along with every other member. Hardin says he's only named because all members had to be.
It didn't seem to be an end result of the problems that we're having, other than filing the suit.
Franklin is said in the lawsuit to have led the charge on passing an improper ordinance, which had his own rules and procedures.
What our ordinance did was restore balance to Jefferson County government.
The lawsuit says that ordinance passed improperly.
It was all done illegally.
Franklin says in June, Robinson put a tax incentive for a business on the agenda, along with his own ordinance of rules. Franklin calls this a setup meant to intimidate court members.
If we don't pass his rules of procedure, we can't pass any other legislation. So if you put them both on here, either you pass my version now, or you can't pass this tax back incentive for this business.
Now, Franklin tells me this lawsuit in some ways is a good thing, even for them, because it's allowed the quorum court to get legal representation in meetings. Hardin, on the other hand, says no matter what happens with the ordinance, the rest of the year will still be an uphill battle to get anything passed for the county because the court is so divided. Reporting live in studio, Samantha Boyd, KARK 4 News.